Hello, I am from Learning Without Limitations. Today we are going to code for update and delete button coding. Let's create update button. But first, let's do something with save button. We want save button to be disabled when search button working. Write the code. Now run the program. It's working. Now we want update and delete. Buttons should no be visible before searching. Write code for it. Select both buttons and from properties click on visible false. Run the program now. You can see both buttons are not showing before clicking on search button. Let's search something after we searched any entry. Both buttons are visible. It's done now. Code for update button. Copy code from search button, paste in update button. Remove text box 1 coding and rearrange code. Like this, copy option button coding and paste it. Save current workbook, and then unload form. All fields will be empty. Except ID, it's working good. Now code for delete button coding. Here is a loan of code. Run the program. Oops, we code in same button. Let's shift code to delete button. Now it's working. Thank you for watching our video. Tune in for more.